resume. Okay, right. So I guess everyone remember what you studied last class. Tell me, everyone remember? Tell me. Yes. Okay. Just checking who all are there because many of you are absent right now. Okay. Chalo. Anyways, we will start, right? So the chapter that we were studying was sets, है ना? याद है सबको? हम लोग sets पढ़ रहे थे. So let's have a quick glance on what we have studied in last class, right? So when we talk about the concepts, right? The first concept that we studied, make a mind map. Whenever we talk about any topic, any chapter, you should make a mind map, right? So the first thing that we talked about was what is set, right? है ना? So what is set? Set is basically collection of well-defined objects, right? Set is collection of well-defined objects. Okay. So we studied, okay, what is set? Set is a group of well-defined object, or it's a collection of well-defined objects, right? And the objects are also called as elements. Now, after that, we studied about how to represent the set. So we studied that there are two types of representation of set. One in which it is just represented in the bracket, all the elements, all the objects are written in this middle bracket, right, with commas in between. So this type of representation is called as roster or tabular form. Okay. Now, the second is set builder form. In set builder form, we just write this set as it is. Okay. For example, V is equal to curly bracket. Again, curly bracket is used. X. Now, this colon is where. Okay, where X is vowel in English. So this represents the same set as the set of vowels in roster form, and this represents in set builder form. Okay, so we solved some problems based on set builder form, roster form. So I guess everyone have a clear idea about what is set builder form and what is roster form. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, everyone. Right? This is clear. Okay, very good. Right? Very good. Okay. Now, after that, we studied type of set, different types of set. You know, so first we talked about, tell me, empty set. So set which have no element, right? No element is called as empty set. Okay. And it is represented by, yes, it is compulsory, Navya, right? Curly bracket is compulsory because I will let you know, right? What's the meaning of other two brackets? We will study today, okay? Because the different brackets have different meaning, okay? Right? We will use small bracket and square bracket also, but they will have different meaning. Okay, we will see this. And we have already studied, right? In class 9, if you remember, we have already studied square brackets and middle bracket, sorry, small bracket, right? Now, so empty set is represented by 5. Now, this is empty set. This difference between empty set and null set. Null set means element is 0, right? 0. But empty set means there is no element, right? Okay, then we talked about finite set and infinite set. So basically, a finite set is set in which the number of elements can be counted, right? And infinite set is the number of is a set in which the number of elements cannot be counted. Okay. So after that, we talked about what? Tell me. We talked about some properties that when we talk about set, okay, order is not important. Second, repetition is not allowed, which means if yes, null set has one element, right, which is 0. Okay, null set will have one element, which is 0, whereas empty set will have 0 element, right? So that is, you have to remember. Then we talked about set, subset, superset. I hope all of you remember these concepts. Yes or no, right? Okay. Okay, so let's start today's class. Now, let's have a basic idea before talking about some topics, right? We will try to understand, because what is maths, what is any concept? It is the realization of, right, some practical, tell me, activities, right? Now when you talk about this, suppose I'm having wait, I'll just take this. Yeah, okay, I'm having a set. Okay, right? So suppose we have two students, right? One is Navya, Now she likes pizza, burger, rolls, ice cream, cake, right? Milkshake, samosa. Okay. And then we have suppose Smarnika, right? And she like ice cream, cake, samosa, pizza. Then we have suppose Janvi. Okay, she likes samosa, jalebi, aloo paratha. Everyone's like, sir, why you're talking about food in early morning? Okay. Then chole, bhature, then chaat. Okay, right? So we have these three people, and this is the set of dishes that they like. Okay, right? So tasty, right? So everyone's like, sir, very tasty question, sir. Full of flavors. My examples revolve around food. Yeah. So can I say that, sir, choices of Sinchana is subset of Navya? Yes or no? Right? Anna. So S is subset of N or N is superset of S. Yes or no? Clear? Clear? Okay. What about choices of Navya and choices of Janvi? Can I say the choices of Janvi is a subset of choices of Navya? No,
No,
right?
sir.
It is very clear. Hai na? It is independent set. Yes, very good. Yes, yes. Clear? Tanish, Avni, Aditya, Harshita, Pratagya, everyone, easy? Yes? Okay, very good. So this is very easy, right? I can say, okay, the choice of Sinchana is the subset of choices of Navya. Now, if I ask you, Sinchana subset is basically a smaller set, right? And a subset is what? Sub means small, right? So suppose I'm having a bigger set and there's another smaller set, right? So see, all the elements of this set, think about it, all the elements of this set, ice cream, cake, samosa and pizza is there in this bigger set, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? So that is your subset. Every element, because it is represented now, right? It is represented. The see, it is inverted U. Inverted U represents both, right? So the open side represents superset. The closed side represents subset. This is subset, and this is superset. Simple. Okay. Now, my question is: think about it. What is common between Sinchana and Janvi? Tell me, what is the common choices between Sinchana and Janvi?
Samosa.
Samosa is common, right? Yes or no? Samosa is common. So I can say samosa, sir. Samosa. Samosa. Right? Okay. But obviously we are talking about math. We're not talking about English. So we can write what is the common between S and J. There should be some mathematical representation for common elements. Yes or no? Hayana. Think about it. right? Because we're not studying English now, so we can write the common element between S and J is this. There should be mathematical representation, right? So the mathematical representation or the mathematical term which is used to represent common elements means same elements between two sets is called as this. I'll just write it down. Intersection. Intersection. And it is represented by ulta u. It is represented by ulta u. Again, u is u can represent lots of things. Ulta u, right? Slanted u, not slanted. So this is what? Horizontal u. This is ulta vertical u, right? So this represents intersection. Intersection means common. Simple. Intersection means common. Okay. So if someone asks you, right, what is S intersection J? Tell me, what is S intersection J? Batao, everyone.
Sir,
Samosa.
samosa.
Very good. So samosa, very good. So I hope all of you understood this. Ayana.
Yes, sir.
So I can relate with common life like this. Okay. Suppose Sinchana and Janvi are good friends. They went to a shop and they want to eat something, right? Okay. Think about it. They want to eat something. So Sinchana likes ice cream, cake, samosa, pizza. And Janvi likes samosa, jalebi, aloo paratha, chole bhature, chaat. But they want to eat same thing. So what they will eat?
Sir, samosa.
Right? Easy, easy. So intersection means common. Intersection means common. हाँ या ना? Clear हो गया?
हाँ, sir.
Easy है? Okay. What about this? What about Navya intersection? What is Navya intersection? Sinchana, tell me.
Pizza,
Navya?
ice cream, cake.
Yes. So all the four, right? Ice cream, cake, samosa, and pizza. Yes or no? Which is basically S only. Yes or no? I know. Because obviously, right? S is subset of N, है ना? So common will be S only. ठीक है? Clear है? ये हाँ या ना? हाथ चालो. Everyone got this concept? Yes or no? किसी को दिक्कत है? It is super easy. Super easy to understand. Tell me. Yes, yes, Shash, you can write, but why to complicate, right? Obviously, you can write like this. Okay. Okay. See, try to keep simpler. Okay. Yes, Vikas, that's what Yashash said, right? Okay. But try to keep things simpler. Okay. You can write in any form. No, you can write in set builder form as well as roster form. Okay. There's no issues, hai na? But here it is only one element, na? So you just write common between this and this. X is common between this and this. Okay. Right? You have to write like this. Okay. Now think about it. Think about it. Now I'll take second case. I'll take second case. Everyone try to understand this, right? Intersection is clear. Intersection is clear. Ayana. Okay. Now second such term is called as union. Now union का मतलब क्या होता है? Tell me. English meaning of union. Add yes or no? Ayana. Yes, Navya. It is same, right? S intersection J or J intersection S. It is same. Ulta.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Okay. So union means add. Union means add. समझ में आया? Intersection means common. Union means add. Right? ठीक है? ठीक है? Join together. Yes, join together. Right? ठीक है? Now tell me, if I'm saying Sinchana union Janvi, then tell me, we will add all the elements of Sinchana as well as Janvi. हाँ या ना? समझ में आया? सबको समझ में आया? Right? So intersection is only the common one, right? but union is total. Add all the elements of Sinchana and Janvi, right? Yes, we learned this in inequality. Yes, very good. You remember, right? Intersection union we studied in inequality. Okay, so I'll write like this: ice cream, comma cake, comma samosa, comma pizza, comma jalebi, comma aloo paratha, comma chaat, right? हो गया ना? समोसा, जलेबी, आलू पराठा, छोले भटूरे also, comma छोले भटूरे, right? Clear? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Very simple. Try to think, right? दिमाग खोल के पढ़ाई करनी है. As Ashish said ना, parachute खुला होना चाहिए. Yes, Yashash, obviously, right? When you talk about union, it means everything, all the elements of both the sets, right? And we don't write samosa two times, na, right? Because obviously, I said two times of anything doesn't have different meaning. It is just written once. Okay? Yes or no? Ayana. Ayana. So this is clear. Ayana. Yes or no? Think about it. ये सबको समझ में आया? What is union? What is intersection? Easy enough?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, union will not have tilted U, right?
No, union again, na, it is सीधा U. Union is just सीधा U, capital U, right? It is just
Okay,
representing U, capital U, right? सीधा वाला. और intersection
Okay,
is
sir.
उल्टा वाला. Set subset is सोया वाला. ठीक है? Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's see. Everyone, let's try to solve one problem once. Okay. So suppose I'm having a set A, which is equal to 1, 2, 4, 9, 16, 25, right? And set B, which is 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, right? So what is A intersection B? Tell me, what is A intersection B?
Sir, 2 and 9.
1 also there, na?
1 to 9.
1, 2, 9. Agree? Yes or no? Agree? Yes, Yashash, obviously. And what is A union B? What is A union B? 1, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 7, 9, 16, 25. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Right? Easy, super easy. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me, anyone have any doubt till this point? Understood? Very good, right? Very good. So tell me, what is number of elements of A? Tell me, what is number of elements of A? Yes, combine, not add, combine, right? Combine them. Yes, very good. So number of element of A is 6. Very good, Avya. What is number of element of B? Tell me, what is the number of element of B? No, Navya, you can write in any order, na? Right? As we said yesterday, you can write in any order, doesn't matter. 5. Okay. Okay. Very good. So what is number of element of A intersection B? Tell me. What is number of A intersection
3,
B?
sir.
3. Very good. Very good. And what is number of element of A union B? Tell me. 8. 8. Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? So let's think, right? Obviously, let's try to think something. So I'm saying A union B. So A union B should be equal to what? Number of element of A plus number of element of B. Hi, Anna, tell me. Or there's something wrong. Tell me.
So elements of A and B have some common elements, so we cannot actually add both the number of elements.
Right, exactly, है ना? So see, if you add these two, it will become what? 6 plus 5, 11. But we have 8 elements, right? This is 8. But you should notice that, sir, when you're adding this and this, you're adding actually 1 to 9. 1 to 9 two times. Yes or no? Hi, Anna, tell me. You're adding 1 to 9 two times. Agree. If you're adding this and this, you're adding this two times. Two times. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Tell me. Everyone is clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you have to do? You have to subtract one time. No? You have to subtract one time. Yes or no? Tell me, you have to subtract one time. Clear? Everyone is clear now? ठीक है? सबको समझ में आ गया? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? बताओ, किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ तक में? Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt in this? No doubt? Clear? Take your time, right? Everyone should be crystal clear on this concept. Easy. Everything is easy. Everything is intuitive. Yes or no? Right? है ना? सब कुछ intuitive है? Tell me, everything is intuitive? Very good, right? Very good, Tanesh. Very good, Vikas. So this is interesting, right? अच्छे समझ में आ रहा है ना? See, tell me this, right? Are you getting these concepts much better now? Right? Even though everything is new, right? Okay, very good, everyone. So, okay, ठीक है, चलो एक और सवाल देखते हैं, ठीक है? Let's try to think one more concept. Okay, now suppose I'm having a set A is equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, now my question is, yes, you can write like that. Obviously you can write like that, na, right? ये क्या है, इसको इधर कर दोगे तो हो जाएगा. Now tell me, how many subset of A can be formed? Tell me. My question is, how many subset of A can be formed? Think about it. Everyone, think about it. No Navya, no Obvia, think. No Yashash. Take your time again, right? No Astav. No Janvi. I'm saying how many subset you can form. Very good, Pratagya. Yashash wrong. Tanish wrong. Vikas wrong. Yashash
Sir,
wrong.
6.
No, 6 is not the answer. Think. First of all, right? Again, you should follow. Okay, now, Pratagya, tell me how you got your answer. Pratagya, can you answer?
Sir, we should do 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of elements.
How? My question is how, because again, you saw some formula somewhere, right? My question is how.
Sir, we should use permutation and combination.
How permutation combination? Why permutation combination?
Sir, we will take every element and see we should take it or not.
Okay. ठीक है. But suppose if I don't know that also, right? I don't know. I'm a class 6 student, then a class 7 student, a class 8 student. I don't know what is permutation combination. Then can I solve this problem? Right? By simple counting, right? Yes, your answer is correct, by the way, Pratigya, right? But I can just count, na? See, what's the maximum number of elements? 3. So I can have case 1, set of only one element. So if I talk about only one element, wait. If I take only one element, something happened, yeah. One element, right? I'll explain what you said also, right? It is correct. So if I'm taking only one element, I'm having what option? So I'm saying A1 is either 0, A2 is 1, A3 is 2. So we'll have 3 subset. Case 2. 2 elements. So I will have A3, which is 0, 1, A4, which is 1, 2.
Sir, A3 is already done.
No, 2 elements now. Where it is done?
Okay, sir.
Okay, just give me a minute.
So then rearranging A4, A5 and A3 will also be 3 cases, or will it be same A3, A4, A5?
See, you can write anything, man. It is just a random number, right? You can write this as A3, this as A4. It is just a number, right? How the number of set is there, right? What is the number of set? It is not in any order. है ना? 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, right? Case 3. 3 elements. So A7, A4, A3, sorry. Yeah, sorry. This is A4, A5, A6, right? This is what you're saying now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my bad. A4, A5, A6. What is A7? A7 is all the 3 elements. 0, 1, 2. Now, we are getting only 7 elements. Are we missing one? Are we missing one? If 8 is the correct answer, are we missing something? Tell me, Pratagya, are you missing something? Yes, correct, right? Case 4 is 0 element. You are not selecting anything. Yes or no? So in this case, 8 is 5. Clear here? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So the answer is 8. So I can say now, as Pratagya said, right? I'll take one more example. Okay. So suppose I went to ice cream shop. Okay, ice cream shop, and I'm having 3, ice golas. So I'm having 3 flavor: kala khatta, mango, and strawberry. Okay, now how many options will you have? Again, the question is how many options will you have? So suppose there's first person who does not like anything, So he will not take any. So it is 5, yes or no? Ayana, right? Okay, right? Now, yeah, but again, right, what is the question? Question is total number of sets. So not having anything is also a set, na? Think about it. Not having anything is also a set. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, if he can opt, right, only one flavor, so he will have kala khatta, and mango, same, right? Or sorry, not and, or strawberry, right? Okay, or he can have two flavors. So it's like kala khatta and mango. Sorry, again, right? I'm just writing repeated things. My bad. A6. Mango and strawberry. A7. Kala khatta and strawberry. Or last option, you can have all the 3, right? All the 3. So it is kala khatta, mango, and strawberry. So again, total option that he will have is 8. Right? So as Pratagya say, the option can be like this. Either he can have kala khatta or he will not have kala khatta. So how many options will we have of opting or selecting kala khatta? 2. Hayana. Think about it. right? Either you can select or you cannot select. Yes or no? Right, everyone? Now, what about mango? How many options do you have for selecting mango? 2 only, right? Enough. And for strawberry, 2 only, right? So you're selecting this and this and this. I hope all of you remember the concept of permutation combination in last year, right? So it is and we have to multiply, so what is the answer? So I can say total number of subset, total number of subset is equal to 2 to the power 3, which is 8. Yes or no? So can I write in general that if any set is having n elements, right? Then number of subset is given by 2 to the power n. Ayana, tell me. Okay, okay. Now suppose if someone right is writing a set which will contain all this option. Okay, so if I'm writing a set A dash which will contain all the set A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, right? Think about it. What is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8? Tell me, what are they? They are the subset of this now. Hi, Anna. They are the subset of n. Agree? Raise your hand. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. And what is A dash? So I can say A dash is a set which contains all the subset of n. So I'll just write like this. A dash is a set containing all subset of n in above problem, right? क्लियर है? सो अब A dash को क्या बोलेंगे? A dash का भी कुछ नाम होना चाहिए ना, है कि नहीं? A dash का भी कुछ नाम होना चाहिए. So this A dash is called as power set. ठीक है? So any set which contain all the subset of a given set, then it is called as power set, right? है ना? And what is the number of elements of power set? Number of elements of power set, see, number of element is 2 to the power n. Yes or no? Ayana, this n and this n are different by the way. ठीक है? ये सबको समझ में आया? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Anyone have any doubt in this point till this point? Tell me, anyone have any doubt till this point? Please take your time, try to understand this concept. Clear? Everyone is crystal clear? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, clear. Very good everyone. चलो easy लग रहा है. रिवीजन करते रहना है, राइट? रिवीजन नहीं करोगे तो भूल जाओगे. ओके, so you have to keep on doing revision. So Kahoot time. Ready for Kahoot? Right? Ready for Kahoot? Yes. Yes. Power set is set of all the subset of a given set. Okay. No, Vastav, chapter is not over, right? Okay, chapter is not over, but yeah, two sections is over. 2 sections are over, right? Then we'll talk about new topic in this only, right? Which is Venn diagram. So अभी हम लोग बस यहाँ तक का काउंट करेंगे, ठीक है? So guys, try joining. Join soon. Okay, so we will start, right? 20 students would be there. I'll start. Okay, I have been waited enough. Let's start. Guys, please join. Everyone should join in between. Okay. If there's internet issues, please message. Now tell me, this A union B is equal to B union A. True or false? By the way, those who will be there at the end, till the end, I'll take attendance of those students only. 13 correct, 6 wrong. How come they are same now? Right? Either you add join A and B or B or A. They are same, right? So it is true. Who said it is false? Okay. Next. If A intersection B is equal to 5, then A and B are disjoint set. Right? It is a definition, right? It is definition. Just write psi. Just write psi. This is a theory, right? This is theory. You can make tukka, okay, but this is theory. This is a fact. Like, yes, it is true. This is true. Disjoint means no element are same. Okay, right? That is a theory. You can write it down. If there's n element in a set, then number of possible subsets is A. It is also theory. We just studied that. We just studied this. Two to the power n, no. Who are saying 2n, 4n? None of these guys. It is 2 to the power n. We just studied this now. See, it is written over here. It is last thing that we studied. Someone is not paying attention. Someone is not paying attention. Yes, Vastav. Let's see who can answer this. I have told this answer in the classroom during revision. I have told this during revision. Yes, Yashash, correct. Yes, Vikas, correct. Yes, Navya, correct. Yes, Puneet, correct. Zilan, wrong. So answer is false. See, null set, as I told you, null set means element is 0. Null set means element is 0. So it will have one element. Nah, this is what I have said during revision. Yes or no? Null set will have one element because null set means the element is 0. Okay, right? But this is empty set. This is your empty set, which have 0 element. So having 0 element and having value 0 are two different things. Last question of this Kahoot. True. Yes. True. Correct. Yes. Who is correct? Let's see the podium, guys. Who's Pratagya? 1 wrong, 5 correct. 5. 4 correct. Anvit, 5 out of 5 correct. And Yashash, 5 out of 5 correct. Okay, very good. Yashash is at first position. Okay. ठीक है चलो okay now let's answer these very small questions. Everyone, message in the chat box. We'll play one more Kahoot, by the way. We'll play one more Kahoot. Tell me, what is the answer of first one? Sorry, first one. The number, this are called a set of the number, this is called a set of. Yes, correct. Correct. B, integers. Very good. Very good. What about second one? For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of all its digits must be. These are very simple questions, right? We have studied till class 9th only. Yes, C, divisible by 3. Correct. Third one. A positive rational number can be expressed in the form of P and Q as. See how easy these questions are. Both A and B, na? Right? Both A and B. Guys, both A and B. Who said that P and Q should be numerator only? Right? Think about it. Common sense. Yes or no? Common sense. Right? Anna? Okay, fourth one. Fourth one. HCF of 3, 24, 36 is easy, super easy. Obviously, it is 3, correct. Very good. Fifth one, LCM of 9 and 15. Right? How easy question they are asking. They are thinking that students are very weak, right? But you guys are smart, na? Very good, Zilan. Right? So we have done this. We have done this. We have done this. Let's see one concept test. Tell me. Let's see this concept test. So the question is, a set can be an element of another set. Statement 1. A set can be an element of another set. Statement 2. A set is a collection of objects. Right? Which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? Think, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, think. Okay. Okay. Very good. Bhavani, Shesha, Navya. Okay. Sinchana, think. Okay. Nitin, think. The answer is Kratagya. Okay. The answer is B. Right? Why B? So every one of you are wrong. Every one of you are wrong. Right? Why? My question is why? Every one of you are wrong. Tell me why. Now I told you the answer. Every one of you are wrong. Why? Well defined. Exactly. Yes. Well defined. Yes or no? अब समझ में आया? Right? जल्दबाजी में गलती हो गई ना सबसे? हाँ या ना? Well defined, right? ठीक है. That's why it is false. Na? Statement 2 is false. A set is a collection of objects. No, collection of objects is just a group, right? Collection of any object is just a group, but for a group to be a set, it should be well defined. I don't know that. Yeah, I know you don't know that, Alexa. Okay. ठीक है? चलो, next concept test. Next concept test. for any set A, we can always say A is subset of A, right? That is statement 1. Statement 2 says for any two non-empty sets A and B, if A is subset of B, then number of element of A is less than number of element of B. Think about it, concept test. So I'm getting all the 3 answers for now. Let's see, I got all the answers. Okay, very good. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं आंसर क्या है. Let's see the answer. Answer is B. Answer is B. Why B? Again, why B? Think about it.
Sir,
Understood?
A can be equal to B.
Yes. Got it? Yes or no? It can be equal also, na? Right? Concept test. Yes or no? It is not necessary that number of element of A is less than number of element of B, because see, option statement 1 will give you the answer. है ना? बस very good Pradagya, very good. Correct. ठीक है? Okay. So the answer is B. I hope all of you understood. ठीक है? So it should be equal to also. Right? Now tell me this one. The number of element of set phi is. Yes, very good. Correct. Correct. It is 0. The answer is 0, right? The answer is 0. Okay, okay. Sorry. My bad. Right? My bad. Right? Apologies, guys. Right? So this, when I'm writing phi, it means 0, right? When I'm writing this, it means this. No, it should be 0 only, right? It should be 0 only. Sorry. Because phi means, right? Phi means 0. Okay, phi means 0. I'll check it once and get back to you. Okay, right? Because empty set means having no set, right? So empty set is written as this. Okay. Chalo. One more Kahoot. I'll get back to you regarding this, because empty set is, I think empty set is written as just phi. Okay. So my mistake there. Okay. Now this one. Join this Kahoot, guys. Join this Kahoot. Jaldi join this Kahoot. Everyone, please join soon. Jaldi jaldi join karo. Only 15 students, 16 students have joined till now. 20, 18. Guys, please join soon. We will start now, okay? Tell me, true or false? This is what we studied just now. True or false? Okay, Vastav. Yes, it is true, no? It is true, right? Who said false? It is true. Next. Power set is a non-empty set. True, no? It is true, right? Because see, number of elements in power set is given by P, right? Is what? 2 to the power n. So even if number of element is 0, it will become 2 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So power set can be written as, again, see guys, I made a very small mistake. This mistake that I made is phi is the empty set, right? Just phi. Okay. But if you're writing this, it becomes a set, right, in which only one element, which is 0. Phi becomes 0, right? Okay. Right? So that is the answer. So this is basically a set which will have one element which is 0. Okay. So that is one mistake that I made. Okay. I hope all of you understood this. It is clear. So every set is a subset of itself. True or false? Now this everyone should answer. Yes, it is true. Very good. All of you are correct. Very good. Third question. Sorry, fourth question. This is last question. Power set of A is equal to power set of B. Then power set of A is equal to power set of B. Then easy, easy, super easy. Yes, A is equal to B, na? A is equal to B, right? If power set is equal, means number of elements, right? And the elements both are equal. So it should be same. Got it? Everyone got this, right? So let's see the podium. Let's see the podium, guys. So third is Yashash, very good. Second is Navya. Okay, very good. First is Tanish. Okay, very good, Tanish. Right? There's very small difference. Very small difference. Fourth Pratya, fifth Vatsa, right? Vastav. Okay, chalo. I hope all of you enjoyed today's class and learned something. Okay, right? So please revise. I'll upload the notes. Okay. Full podium. Wait, I'll just. Okay, so 84% of you are correct. Very good. Right? See full report. If you want to see full report, everyone have said given the correct answer. So it's correct. Chalo. I'll upload the notes as well as the video lecture, right? This one. Okay. Shirsha, I'll message, don't worry. Okay. Yes, Kratagya, right? That is the thing, right? Okay, whenever we talk about empty set, it is just 5. Empty set is just 5. When we're writing 5 in curly bracket, which becomes a set having empty set in that, right? That is 1. Okay, so that there's one mistake that I did. Okay. Okay, the page is unresponsive. Anyways, I guess all of you understood this. Chalo. Okay, bye everyone. Bye bye. Take care. Right. I have taken the admission of 27 students. So those 5 is just a representation because 5 is just like alpha, beta, gamma. It's just a representation. Okay. Okay. Right. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone.